Hi everyone, today we are going to be starting our monsters, and here's a finished example of what that might look like. You are going to start with a white piece of paper, and it's going to have some folds in it. You're going to draw your monster's body, and you can look at the top part of our worksheet here for ideas for shapes for your body. You can make up your own shape, but the important thing is that you make it big. And so you want to take, let's say I want to do an oval body. I'm going to take my crayon and I'm going to draw the top of my oval like way up here near the top part of my paper. And then I will be bringing the bottom of the body all the way down to the bottom section. So I'm going to make the oval come all the way up here, go through that middle section, and then go down into the bottom section and back up. Next, I'm going to pick my monster's arms, and you can make up other kinds of arms, but if you want to look at these for ideas, choose one of these arms and go ahead and draw that onto your monster somewhere starting in the middle section. Okay, and then the same thing for legs. You can choose one of these or make up your own. I might not have room for that long of legs here, so I might do some short legs. Maybe I'll do something like that at the bottom. All right, now I have the main shape of my monster. I'm going to take my oil pastels and I'm going to add some lines. I am not coloring the whole thing in with the oil pastels. This purpley color, that's paint. So I want to leave lots of space for my paint to go. Next step. So I can look at my line worksheet for ideas for different lines I can include and just draw them. Push down kind of hard with your oil pastel so that the watercolor paint will be able to go around it better. Maybe I'll do some zigzags, change out some colors. Maybe I'll do some spirals. How about some diagonal lines? Remember, I'm not filling up the whole monster right now. I'm not coloring it in. I'm just drawing the lines. Maybe some bumpy lines up here. And how about some loop-de-loops? That's not on here, but kind of curly lines. Oh, and I need to do the legs. So let's do, maybe I will do some horizontal lines going across like stripes. Okay, that is all for the drawing part. Next, you will add watercolor. So we're going to use liquid watercolor today. Here is the liquid watercolor, and you're going to take your paintbrush from the water cup, dip it into the liquid watercolor, your choice of color. Let's do green. You can choose one or two colors, and you're going to paint right on top of your monster, right on top of those lines that you just drew. And if you want to have more than one color inside of your body, that is also fine. You can mix it together. But if you're changing colors, you need to wash your brush. So we're going to bounce our brush on the bottom of the cup for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, maybe I will do this blue purpley color for the arms. And it's okay to go outside the lines. We are going to be cutting this monster out. Once it's dry, we're going to cut it out. So if you paint outside the lines, no big deal. All right, 3, 2, 1, 0. And one more color. I'll do the legs a different color. Okay, and then we're going to let it dry. And then next time, we're going to be adding a face and perhaps a hat or crown, some other little details. All right, have fun.